What's going on, boys and girls? You know, I came home today from work and I wanted to have me something for dinner. And I saw these bananas on the counter and they were kind of turning dark. And I said, you know what? I don't want to throw away these bananas. So I'm going to make some banana and blueberry pancakes. This should be a fast video, so follow me along. You may want to try it with some old bananas that you got. Let's see how it goes. Alrighty, like I said, this is really simple. Again, look at those bananas. Those are about to go. They're turning real brown. We got two. These are jumbo eggs, and we got some blueberries, and we got a little bit of coconut flour just to kind of bind things. So we've got our bananas all nice and peeled. We're about to drop our eggs off the counter. And we're just going to take these bananas and mash them up with a fork. All right, when they get to about this consistency right here, you see how easy that was to mash that up? That's when we're going to add our egg to it. And you know, 2 eggs may be too much for it, but we're going to kind of see. You may end up with a banana omelet, which doesn't sound too bad. I'm just going to mix that in real thoroughly. And that's why we got the flour in there, guys. Just mix that in real thoroughly. Then we're going to add a little bit of coconut flour. We don't want much, so we're going to start off with like a tablespoon first. Mix it in a little bit. Again, we want a certain type of consistency. And again, you know, this is grain free, so another tablespoon. I'll do it here. Another tablespoon here. And that's kind of the consistency that you want here. And then we're going to put our blueberries in there. So we add our blueberries in. Now we want to kind of mash, not totally mash, but mash them a little bit, guys. You know, just a little bit, and then stir it around. Again, mash those blueberries just to release some of the flavor in there. And then we're going to go over to our griddle. And we're going to grease it a little bit, and then we're going to cook them. So now we're going to ladle out a little bit of this here. Put it right there in the center. Again, this depends on how big you want your blueberry pancake to be. Could probably do 2, but we're going to start off with that 1 right now, just to kind of see how it goes. That's on medium heat, and we're going to let it go for a little while, and then we'll flip it. Alrighty, once it starts bubbling on the top, we're going to attempt to flip this. See if it's ready. Hey, it moves, so it's got to be ready. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Nice and brown. Going to let that brown on the other side. So this is going to work out perfectly, guys. I really didn't know how it was going to work out because I added that coconut flour and I thought I'd maybe done too much egg in there, but that's going to be perfect. Alrighty, so we're gonna let that go. We let it go for about 2 minutes or so. Flip it over. See, it's done on that side too as well. And we're gonna do the rest of them like that, guys. So that came out really, really good. Looks great. Alrighty, and there you have some blueberry pancakes, and then you can kind of dress it up however you want to. I put 2 little pats of butter on mine, and I'm gonna have me a piece of chicken with it. And we got us a piece of baked chicken that I made yesterday in the oven to go with it. And yes, I'm going to put some Aunt Jemima butter-rich syrup on it. You don't have to put syrup on these things right here, but I'm putting them on mine. You do yours like you want to, and I'll do mine like I want to. Thanks, guys. Y'all have a good one.